Hello viewers and welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. Today we are going to do a bread called healthy bread, a healthy loaf. So what do we need to make healthy bread? We need our nutty whole grain brown flour. Nutty meaning it's coarse, it's not fine, it's coarse, it's rough. Then we need a little bit of soaked raisins, we need our honey, we need our oil, we need salt, we need brown sugar, we need our yeast. And with me here, just to top it up, I decided to add some jungle oats, so, and warm water, obvious. So how do we do it? It's easy. This is the easiest bread that you can ever find, because you don't need to use a lot of power to knead it. When you are kneading the bread, you don't need to do that, because you don't need to form a dough. So you form, it's more of a batter dough, I can say it like that. It means it's like pap, it's porridge, it's water, it's running, so it's more for a liquid dough. So you put everything in, your sugar, your salt, then your raisins you will put as we go, because we don't want our raisins to be crushed. So, and our honey must just be 50 grams of honey. Then I will just top to just add more of the jungle oats, just to make it so. Then you put your oil. But if you have mixed seeds, you can put, that is the sunflower, the sunflower, the pumpkin, the linseed, and all those other ones. Then you can make a mix, equal parts. Then you can put, but I don't have that, but I have jungle oats, so they work more on the same. And here's my water. I have to scale my water. It's warm water, by the way, just to activate the yeast. So here is my yeast. So you put your water. Well, this takes a lot of water, by the way. So here we'll put a big loaf of bread. Healthy bread, healthy loaf. I just want it to be well mixed. It must be well mixed. At this stage, I have to improvise, and I'll just put a little bit of some burnt spice, because I just want my bread to have that burnt texture and burnt flavor and burnt essence also. It just improves the longevity and shelf life of the bread also. Because since this is a large loaf, it will take some days to finish. So I just want to give it some 2 or 3 days more. So when your mix is well done like this, that's when you put your raisins. Because I don't want my raisins to be crushed during the mixing and whatever. So I put them last. Go. I'll just add a little more. There's nothing wrong with the more of pure honey. Pure honey. Remember, this bread, you don't need to proof it 2 times or too late. You just proof it once, then you bake. So it's different from these other doughs that we usually do in other episodes. If you check, we mix, then we let our dough rest, then we wake it out, then we proof again. But this one, you just mix, you proof once into the oven, and you bake also with steam. This is egg bread. You bake it with steam, 220 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. But in these home ovens like the one that I have, your time will differ, because you are usually more hot and compact. So it means you have to bake maybe at 200 for 20 minutes to 25 minutes. It depends with your oven, but those are the basics. 220 degrees Celsius with the steam, 15 minutes steam for 20 to 25 minutes. Your bread will be okay. So what we do now, we pour greased and oiled shape. It's a big loaf. After this, we let our bread proof. So what we do, just make sure it's sitting well. Then what I like to do, I want to put some oats on top. But if you have mixed seeds, you put mixed seeds on top. Just like this. So when it proof, it will proof with, I think you can see it is just it's running. Then you let it proof. This is all what I have to show you for now. I will show you a proven, and I will just show you a well-proven, well-baked bread in the next episode. So after 30 minutes or so, then we'll see if our bread is ready to bake. Then we bake 20 minutes to 20 to 25 minutes with steam, meaning with water in, so that your bread will come out nice. See you in the next episode. Maitabasa tinotenda siyabonga. See you near to Sotiao. My bread is baking.